Hi everyone, welcome back to the playlist. In this video, we're covering Tab Confluence Page Mapper. This one is perfect when you want a hub with tabs, but you want to handpick exactly which pages appear. Let's start with the problem. Sometimes your content is spread across different parents, different sections, or even different spaces. So parent-child mapping doesn't fit, and label mapping may pull in too much, or pull in pages you don't want. But you still need a clean hub, a single place where users can read everything in the right order without getting lost. So the real problem is, you need tabbed navigation, but with full manual control. So now that we know the use case, let's build a curated hub where you choose the pages. That's exactly what Tab Confluence Page Mapper does. It lets you create a tabbed hub and manually select Confluence pages to show as tabs or drop-down items. This is great for cross-space navigation, curated onboarding hubs, release hubs, or start here documentation pages. Let's build it end-to-end. Create the hub page, insert the mapper, select pages, publish, and test the final output. Step 1. Identify the pages you want in the hub. First, I decide which pages I want in this hub. For example, getting started, installation, configuration, and FAQ. These pages may not be under one parent, and they may not share a label. That's exactly why we use this module. All right, pages are decided. Now we'll create the hub page where the tabs will live. Step 2, create/open the hub page. Now I create or open a hub page. Example title, Product Help Hub. I open it in edit mode. Next, we insert the Tab Confluence Page Mapper into this hub page. Step 3, insert Tab Confluence Page Mapper. Click Insert plus. Search for Tab Confluence Page Mapper and insert it. Now comes the key part, configuration, where we choose the exact pages and the tab style. Step 4, configure the mapper. Now I configure it. First, I select the pages one by one. I choose Getting Started. Then Installation. Then Configuration. Then FAQ. Next, I choose how navigation should look. Tabs, if I want fast switching, or drop-down, if I have many pages. Now I confirm the content behavior. When a user clicks a tab, that page content loads inside the hub. Then I check the preview. I confirm the order is correct. The titles look clean, and the selection is exactly what I want. Everything looks right. Now we publish the page and test the final experience. Step 5, publish the page. Now I click Publish. Now we're live. So let's confirm the output and show how this solves the curated navigation problem. Here's the published hub. You can see each selected page as a tab. When I click Installation, the installation page content loads right here. When I click FAQ, the FAQ loads here. So users stay in one place and still read multiple pages cleanly. And since this is curated, nothing extra appears. Only the pages I selected show up in the exact order I want. So the problem was, content is scattered, and you need tabs with full control. And the solution is, Tab Confluence Page Mapper lets you manually select pages and present them as a clean tabbed hub. Result, guided navigation, no clutter, and a better reading experience. That's it for Tab Confluence Page Mapper. Next, we'll cover Create Custom Tabs, where you can create fully manual tabs with rich content, embedded pages, or even HTML embeds. See you in the next video.